Hey guys, so if you are looking to relocate or move here to the North Dallas area, guys, this video might be just the one for you. We're gonna be shooting this brand new model home that just went up by Pulte Homes in this brand new community of Spiritas Ranch in the city of Little Elm, Texas.
So today we're going to be taking a walkthrough through this beautiful house right behind us.
Yeah.
It is the Caldwell floor plan by Pulte Homes, and it has 4 bedrooms, I believe 2.5 to 3 bathrooms, and it has a gorgeous media room, which is awesome, over 3,100 square feet.
Yeah.
We were really impressed with this floor plan overall.
Yeah, I really did like the inside of this home. The finishes are great. Great floor plan. Huge media room with the loft area as well. So there's tons of things that you could There's tons of things that you could do with this floor plan for sure. So guys, again, this is the Spiritas Ranch community here in Little Elm, Texas. Brand new community, lots of activity, lots of amenities going up here in this community. Sorry, we've been shooting videos non-stop. So
it's so windy.
So guys, walk this floor plan and let us know what you think.
you have it, guys. We hope that you've enjoyed this walkthrough of this beautiful home. It is so windy. So
yeah, guys, let us know. Leave a comment. Let us know what you thought of that media room, which was my favorite part of this home. A lot of square footage for sure. And so yeah, I love the finishes too.
And if you haven't done so already, do us a huge favor and hit that like and subscribe button. It really does help to motivate us to make videos just like this that will help hopefully out-of-state buyers kind of get a feel for the areas and kind of figure out where it is that they want to go to and check out houses in Texas, North Texas to be exact.
Yeah. So Spiritas Ranch, guys, is again, like we mentioned, is a brand new community. We are off of the 720 and 380. If you're familiar with like the big main roads here in this North Dallas area. So lots of things going on-site elementary school in this community. There's going to be, wait, did we talk about the amenities already?
You've got your normal, so you're going to have community pool, playground.
Yeah, they're gonna have a soccer field from what I see.
So it's going to be a great location. HOA fees are $900 a year, which is not bad, and that gives you access to all the amenities.
Yeah.
And this is Denton ISD, in case you're wondering.
Yeah.
But you've got a great location. Minutes from Frisco, minutes from Little Elm Beach.
Yeah.
Tons to do.
Yeah, so if you are looking to build from the ground up and pick your lot, so you can choose where you want to be. You can choose if you want a corner lot, if you want to back up to a green belt. This is the time to get in here right now before all the lots get sold. And trust me when we say lots get sold here really quick. So if you are looking to move to this area, give us a call. We would love to negotiate on your behalf, and let's connect. So our information is going to be up here, and we would love to answer any questions that you may have. Sorry, I just smacked her on the leg here. So guys, thank you for watching, and yeah, we will see you next time. Bye.